are you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and you guys are enjoying this holiday season. Are you loving my hairstyle? Because I am so in love with it. I did it because my holiday party is coming up tomorrow and we're going out for our holiday dinner. I'm taking my staff out. And I wanted to do something different with my hair, so I searched through YouTube. And I remember this was a very popular style a few months ago, the Loc Petals. And I just wanted to bring it back because I think it's so cute for the holiday season. And just to give you guys ideas if you guys are going to holiday parties or if you just want to do the style because you want to and you think it's cute, this is just an idea of a style that you can do for the holiday season or just because. It is gorgeous. The camera is not doing it justice. It is even more gorgeous in person. And this is my first time trying this style. I've never tried it before. And I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'm going to show you a clip of how I did it. And it's super easy, you guys. It can be a little bit frustrating once you get to do a lot of it and you have to, you have to rubber band down the rest of it. But trust me and promise me when I tell you that when it is done, it is so beautiful. It is so gorgeous. It is going to be a showstopper style at whatever party you go to if you decide to do it. Trust me. Trust. And if you do it, please, 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 please take a picture. Tag me on Instagram at Kaya Journey. Or do a video response or email with the picture. My email address is kayajourney@aol.com. And come back to this video and comment and tell me how much people complimented you on the style. But it's just gorgeous. Like, it's just gorgeous. So the first step is to get your hair in a high bun, however high you want the bun. And just do the lock petals. Now, I've never done a lock tutorial. It's not something that I'm good at, but I just want to come on camera and show you guys the style, and maybe you guys can manipulate it however you want, make it your own and enjoy it and rock it this holiday season. Okay, you guys, let me show you how I achieved this style. So most of my hair is already done because I originally wasn't planning on doing a tutorial on this style because I don't think I've ever done a lock tutorial in my whole entire YouTube video recording so far. So, when I was almost finished, I said, this style is really cute. And I know you guys might be questioning how it was done, so I'm going to show you just basically how I'm going to do this last section right here. Okay, so basically you take a small section like this. Try to make sure the section that you're taking, all the locks are similar length. In my case, a lot of my locks are different lengths, but I just work with it anyway. So, this section right here. And then I have the rubber band in my hand. Right there, a little mini rubber band. And put it down for a second. And then I just bend it just like that. Just bend it. See? It already created it. See? Just bend it. And then once you bend it, you just take the rubber band. And you just make just loop to hold it in place, and that is it. So now I just have a few more to go down here. You see, these are gonna have to go by themselves because they're super short. So this front one right here, take a small section, bend it just like that. Sorry. After a while, when you have so much already done, it gets to be a little bit hectic and a little bit hard, but you just press on, just keep going. Take the rubber band and just put it over it, just to hold it in place. And that's basically it. It's turning out to be so cute. Like, I am loving this.
And then now, the longer ones again. This one. Okay, this section, get the rubber band. And don't worry too much about some of this sticking out in that. Well, this one, like for example, this one's by itself, I might just tuck that in.
This one here, I want to make sure I do this precisely because I have a lock jewelry right here, which is a heart. I like to have it shown, just like how I have another lock jewelry right here, which is like a barrel, and I like to have that shown also. So this is shown when I turn my head to this side. So I want to make sure the heart is shown when I turn my head to the front. So that looks good.
So make sure
And this last one here, I might just tuck it in on its own like this. It might come out. Let's tuck it down here. And that's how you do it. Now, once you're done, at the back, you might have some loose ones like I do here. Like, for example, this one. If you miss any, all you gotta do is either you can create a lock loop with that one by itself, or you can just tuck it in. So I'm going to choose to just tuck it in somewhere. Just like that. There you go. Here's another one. Oh, it looks like a few. And you can just tuck those in. And you can just go ahead and just tuck those in somewhere. Like that. Hopefully I don't have any more, but if I do, I will definitely check with my mirror and fix it. Alright, you guys, I hope that was able to help you if you wanted to saw how I achieved this style. However, if you want a more detailed explanation of how to do lock loops, just search YouTube. There are tons of videos of people doing step by step from beginning to end of how they do lock loops. It is so simple. Anyone can try it. I will try to see if I can find some videos myself for you to make it easier and leave them below in the description bar. So I hope you guys try this style. If you do, don't forget to tag me and let me know. Once again, at all my social media networks, at Kaya Journey, that's Snapchat, Instagram, email, YouTube, at Kaya Journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy your holiday season, and always make sure you guys are enjoying your journey. Bye!